Hey guys, good evening. This is my first video, and today I'm going to show you the Bluarmor. This was the old version, and this is how it looked like. And I went in product testing for Haley, who works for Bluarmor, and they've just sent me the latest. Zoom in on that. See that? Now this one has connectivity as well, so I'm guessing it will have Bluetooth and all that stuff. So let's get down to it. Try opening it, see what it got inside. The right tool for this, but fight with it. Okay. Packaging is nice. Okay, this one says Bluarmor E20. Connectivity, cooling, defog, dust free, and it has everything you need to know. It has personalized cooling, single large click surface, dynamic audio and airflow control, rider pillion crystal clear conversations, control via Siri or Google Assistant, and a lot more stuff. I'll read through this. If you can zoom in this, can you focus? Yeah. Good. Alright. Now you're going to open it up. Looks like a phone box. Oh. Yeah. Okay. Oh. Wow. Whoa. Okay. So, the stuff inside. This is it has a foamy pad here. I don't know what that's for. Paperwork. It has the Bluetooth speakers and stuff. This is the box. Just gonna put this away. This one has a box here, some foam padding. Separate this, click it open. I guess this is for fitting on your helmet. This is almost like the last one, but it's a lot more smaller, and still the same good quality 3M tape. Okay, so this part is separate. You can just make it separate for venting. Oh, turn on. See, vent's much more bigger than the last one. And the lighting is on top. The last one, the lighting was on the side. Power button on top. This one, the power button is, I don't know where it is. Where is it? Let's see somewhere. What did I press to turn on? Oh! Okay, I got it. This is what happens when you don't know how to use it. So this is touch sensitive. Alright, not like the button like last time, so I guess with your gloves is much more easier. The more you tap, the faster it goes. So I haven't read the manual yet. Oh my. That's a lot of stuff to go through, so you see that? The manual on the side. Cool. Let's see what's inside this stuff. Okay. This is another adapter which you can put over here to connect to this if you want to extend it into your helmet. And dude, can I have my helmet please? And this is your Bluetooth adapter. Thank you. So this one will go inside here. You gotta remove the chain guard and you gotta put it like that with this thing installed here. So it should look like this after you put it on. Installation video will come in later, and this is what it looks like. So thank you much, Haley, and let's see how it turns out to be after we get it installed. Alright.